Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am showing you exactly how to generate a personal access token in GitHub. This is the modern way to authenticate when you are using the command line or the API. So let's get right to it. First, log into your GitHub account and click on your profile picture in the top right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Once your settings page opens, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the left-hand sidebar and click on Developer Settings. Next, you will see a section for personal access tokens. When you click to expand it, you will notice two options: fine-grained tokens and Tokens Classic. GitHub now highly recommends using fine-grained tokens because they allow you to limit access to specific repositories and set very precise permissions. If you're just doing a quick setup for a legacy tool, you can still use the classic option, but for the best security, go with fine-grained. Then click Generate New Token. You will need to give your token a clear name so you remember what it is for, like VS Code Home Laptop or My Portfolio Site. You also need to set an expiration date. I recommend 30 or 60 days so you are forced to rotate your keys regularly. If you chose the fine-grained option, this is where you select exactly which repositories this token is allowed to touch. Finally, you need to select your permissions. If you just want to push and pull code, scroll down to Repository Permissions, find Contents, and set it to Read and Write. Once you are happy with the settings, scroll to the bottom and hit Generate Token. This part is critical. Copy that token immediately and save it in a secure password manager. GitHub will only show you this code once. If you leave the page without copying it, you will have to delete it and start all over again. And that is it. You now have a secure way to access your code from the terminal. If this quick guide helped you out today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.